I'm replacing the idle stop on my truck because I hate to turn it off every single time I get in the car. So I'm using this here, idle stop bypass. And I discovered that as I removed the center console, if you set that to the side, look inside here, and you see these cables, and notice how right there, there's a little cable connector that's just loose. So the cable's just like that, just loose right there. And on this side, right here, there's another one that should be snapped in to right there, but it's not, it's just loose. So if you ever wonder why your Ridgeline's making rattling noises in the center console area, that might be it. Apparently quality control, when they were assembling it on the assembly line, they missed these two. So I'm going to snap those back in. And let's see. And this is how you install the idle stop disable wiring. You just remove the connector here, and then you plug that in to this one. Oh, it's hard to do with one hand. Like that. And then this one plugs in here. And done. I'm going to wrap this out with canvas tape just to make sure nothing's rattling. And then connect those two grommets down there, snap plugs rather, and then assemble it back and good to go. So I turned on the truck, and you can see that the auto stop,
what you're selling. Reach more customers.
Auto stop start is already disabled. And if I ever do want to enable it, I just press the button here and it goes away there. So, but by default, when I turn on the truck, I no longer have to hit this button anymore. It's automatic. It's going to go straight to disable.